Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I got patches in the mail today. So fiery. So this is crazy stuff. And I got this is from Hellburger Records, whatever name. So yeah. So yeah. Some awesome stuff. So I don't know, who knows. So first let's open. And yes, finally. It's finally that we got the cassettes. I ordered and those things, I don't know why. So it's really awesome. This is called On Swire. So this is the band from America. So it's really cool. That's awesome. Really happy. So yeah. Definitely this is what I wanted. And then the custom stuff for old days tape. So yeah. It's not it's not no damage, it's good. I'm gonna grab these. So next. Yeah, finally they came in the mail. So yeah. So yeah. This one, the pen, it's really awesome. So yeah, thanks my dude. Appreciate the package. We got signed CD. Oh boy. And we got this CD, it's really cool. I love that. So awesome. Really happy. And this sticker, of course. And, yeah. And this one. And I got stickered in Tar Pick. That was awesome. Let's see. Hello, the human, and thank you for the support and us, and we have had eating around a while because of the, and sometimes in the world to us, out in the bands and that world, you choosing the supports and the, it's on the, at the 1 hour, you are at the real one. That's awesome. Thank you. I will post the social media stuff. So that's awesome. Thank you. Next, That's big, huge box. So let me maybe move this stuff. Small table to get someone good. Destroy stuff like that. We're happy. So this will be a big one, guy boy. Stick it in there. Now we get dropping stuff. There you go. Yes, this is not what I'm looking for. This is Swab Sweep Switch stick. And the band's and the album logos. Right on. That's awesome. We're happy. And next. This huge size in the box. A lot of crazy stuff going on. I'm just saying. I ordered a bunch of things one time. So, remove this double wrap. Anyway. Knife away. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's see. This is for first gen CD filing. Move me away. And so let's open. There you go. Oh yeah. This is I buy it. This is Swar goats. It's really cool. And this soundtrack. This is what I'm looking for CD. So this was awesome death metal stuff. I really do. So next we got CD Live Chicago. I never heard of that. I might lie. Just say. PBS classic. Oh yes. This is from May 12th, E.T. Discardo. That's a long time to see E.T. Turn in Discardo on Slayer. That's a long time to see E.T. in December. That's cool. Interesting. Never heard that before. I got cassette tape. This is Outside or Hell. They had no custom on it, just only blue. So that's what awesome. I like a blue cover logo. Sick logo color. So yeah. That's awesome. I'm really happy buying stuff. Okay. Excuse me, sorry. Next. This is for Hell's Head / August 9/24. That's really cool. They have no costume on it, guys. Unfortunately, because they have cassette tape. So yeah, this is really cool stuff. I love that. That metal stuff. I love that. Yeah, awesome. I'm happy. Alright, next off CD. So yeah. This is Elsewhere with Unleash. This is from, I don't know what year, an album. It's really cool. And I love that CD. Oh, yeah. April 13, 2027. Wow. That's a long time. That's crazy. Next we got elsewhere than in whatever I don't read speaking language. Sorry. This is where I might cover it because I'm a big fan cover the tapes because that's tape. This is why Priest French March 21, 2009. That's one time. Interesting. I never heard this album. This is crazy. That's the same. People in my hair. This is interesting. This is also out here. The witch's crack. That's fine word. This is a green wire green is. I don't know. It's just wire blue. I know it's very hard to tell. You guys, please give me comments below and cover. Please tell me. So this is from, I know they did album or this individual, I don't know. The record by May E.T. Just 2020. Wow, that's good day. I was surprised. There's so many years in the band. It's ridiculous. Well, unreadable. Next, we got the Swatter and Hogan and the Halls. Sorry, I don't speak. It's very hard to talk. Ooh, what's this? Interesting. Yeah, the CD. It's pretty cool. This is October 5. This is a tour, just like America or versus Canada. I don't know, but we'll see. I don't know. So yeah. And next. This is also an angel. I ordered because this is why it's from RCB badge or whatever. This is a different company. This is dark black or whatever. It's really cool. They're the same tape. I don't know why the copies in tape. I'm just saying. I have no idea. There's so many tapes in CD. I love it. This is Swear Wiggy Spit. That's funny. Don't tell me to say that. This is white, black. It's a really cool cover. This is Live Hollow Whiskey Pete. That's from United States. That's June 13, 2001. That's crazy. Excuse me, sorry. That's crazy. I can't believe it. Next CD. Oh, this is my real one. It's the same cassette tape. Slap. Classic. Okay. Oh, this is really nice. And just make sure to be careful. This is OE. This will go on August 9-40. Wow. You see it, you guys. It's pretty cool. You happy? Next, we got the same. This book's the same thing. Yes. Oh, it's nice. Wow, that's crazy. This book's the same, man, because that's deep. Look at that. That's beautiful. Wow, that's awesome. Next, we got the same. Okay. I don't know why this is the word. Oopsie. Oopsie, oopsie, oopsie. My bad. Terrible. Looks the same. You guys, I did show you the video. So, yeah. That's cool. Alright. Next we got poster. Oh, this is so ridiculous, the size. I don't know. I'm not sure, be careful because of the paper. So, just make sure to be careful. Maybe next time put a pictures frame in the wall. So, yeah. Alright. This is the sticker. This is awesome. I keep those. That's for sick. I'll go. I don't even know if they have one. This is just on what the records, file, and tapes, CD plus. See, they have. That's interesting. The March. That's really cool. Hey, no file. What the heck? What the hell? I forgot this stupid order thing. And then I order them, and they have no file. What the hell? Whatever. I have no idea. Alright, you guys, and that's it. That's in the video. It's all crazy haul stuff. And unfortunately, sadly, they don't have file stuff. I don't know why. I don't know why it gave me two. And then, I don't know. Whatever. Again, thank you for watching, you guys. And it's one crazy stuff in the haul, boxy stuff. So yeah, I really appreciate it. And I'll say thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys. And give me like thumbs up. You like it, you don't like it, I don't care. Whatever you want. And please give me comments below on this video so far. And please hit subscribe. Don't miss the video while we kiss the bell. And don't forget to follow me on social media and Instagram's Twitter. So yeah. Alright. And then stay well, stay blue.